So we've been following this Apple Car situation somewhat closely, and it appears that, well, there's some complication with it. It's not going to be an easy task to get this thing done. Now, originally, we had to report that Apple was meeting with Hyundai, and then Hyundai, they kind of like backed right off. They said, no, no, no. They made a much more generic statement because I presume they're trying to keep it somewhat secretive. This new report today states that Hyundai is going to pass off the negotiations to Kia. Oh. Kia is owned by Hyundai. I didn't know this. I thought they must have competed at some point, right?
I think they were separate.
Anyway, they must have been acquired. So regardless, Hyundai has passed off the negotiation, the discussions to Kia. Kia has a plant in the U.S., in Georgia, that could be the location for the manufacturing of the potential Apple car. What's weird about this article is it sounds like Hyundai is kind of playing hard to get. Kind of playing, you know how that works, Will? The cold shoulder, a little, no reply. What is it? What is it that would happen now? It would, what is it called if it's red, but then no response? Left unread.
Yeah.
No, not left unread. I want it read, but then no reply. That's the true cold shoulder.
Yeah, the double check marks.
Double check mark. They saw it, but we're okay. That's the one I'm looking for, because look at this message over here. Hyundai is still cautious. Okay, look at this. Recent reports had tipped parent company Hyundai as a leading prospective partner. This new report says that Hyundai doesn't think it is best suited to Apple Car because of its strong will.
Huh?
That's like, Will, okay, you're in the dating scene, all right, and somebody's trying to get in touch with you, and you're like, I don't think I'm best suited because of my strong will.
She walks away.
Yeah, she's like, what?
Like, huh?
Well, for sure, if you replied with that, she should walk away, for sure, because you're obviously a psychopath.
Yeah.
It's different in the corporate world. I guess you can say things like that, but this is all somewhat speculative at this moment. I'm sure that if the right deal was on the table, Hyundai may change its tune. I don't really know, but it sounds like right now they themselves don't want to be the OEM, but maybe in the form of a U.S. plant, maybe there's some kind of Kia relationship that can take place.
Huh.
So that's the update there.